Wangan in a Stinger? Nah, let's put Wangan in a C8 today. Alright y'all, so I'm back with the C8. And the owner has agreed to let me drive it after doing the Fabspeed exhaust install. So we're gonna get in, give it a cold start. So let me get the camera together and set up, and we'll get in and start it up.
You can drive it as it is, or you can hit this button. It'll take you to Z mode, like exhaust loud.
Okay. Hit reverse. Alright, pretty simple. Alright y'all, I'm trying to adjust all these cameras and where I'm going. Okay, I'm off. Square steering wheel feels funny. Excuse me for the shake, y'all. I wasn't able to set up a better mount. But I'm gonna put it in Z mode. The front end has lowered down. Man, it changes gears so quick. I think I'm gonna go right. I don't have it in Z mode, or whatever performance mode it is. Ride, you can definitely feel the bumps, but it's not harsh or anything. It really drives almost as soft as my Stinger does. The valves are open. I don't know how to change that. Okay. That's showing the gauges and everything. See, I'm behind traffic. Try to get up here and do a turnaround and go back. think I got it in sport. Far as the interior, does feel cozy. You sit pretty low. This rear view mirror is a camera, and it's so odd watching stuff move the way it does in the camera. Power comes on pretty linear. Let's see, can I get some distance? Go down to second. It don't exactly throw you back in the seat, but then again, maybe my feet ain't touching the floor. Yeah. Also, it's only 223 miles on it, so no, we're not even out of break-in period. Brakes are very grabby. It's quiet in the cockpit. Makes my turn. It's odd having the rear view camera pop up on the screen that's in here, and your camera rear view. Okay, y'all, I think I done got lost. Let me pull back out of this neighborhood and go down to the next. They all look the same. I actually feel like I'm in my co-worker's neighborhood. Okay, this is definitely not it. Nope, the steering is decently heavy. In a good way. It's not strenuous to me. I've worked a 12-hour day today, so I'm a little beat. Well, not worked a 12-hour day, but I've been up 12 hours. I changed shifts through my scheduling, what threw me off. Maybe I turned too early. I remember following that car in initially. Ah, okay. Made a wrong turn. But alright, y'all, this gonna wrap it up. know its location, so it's automatically raising the front. Gonna pull this in. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all for coming along with me in this C8 drive. That's just a view of the active rear camera. Like, full thing. That's a screen. That's not a reflection. That is a full active camera. Interior from the driver's seat. Pretty sure you've seen it, but this is just me giving my look over it. Personally, I like the cockpit, and this is actually my very first vet I've ever driven. No, I'm not lying, or just for camera. This is my first vet I've ever driven. Only my second vet I've ever ridden in. The only other vet I've ridden in is a C6Z06. I ridden that at autocross, but I haven't driven one till today. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later. Hopefully I can get back in touch with Super Owner on the off day, and I can go for a drive in that and give y'all my POV on that.